You won't believe what Google Docs can do now. This is the smartest way to use Google Docs and no one is talking about it. If you are tired of switching tabs and copy pasting, this one trick turns Google Docs into AI research and writing tool. This AI workflow feels like a superpower in your hand, from research to writing full report without leaving Google Docs ever again. Because now I connected to Gemini and NotebookLM both inside Google Docs. This will change how you use Google Docs forever, because you can write 10x faster in Google Docs using this hidden AI workflow. Now without taking any more time, let's dive directly into it. Let's say I want to write a report on the topic, the impact of social media on mental health. You have to keep switching tabs to look into the sources to refer to, and then keep coming back to Google Docs to write your research. Now you don't have to do all that. Instead, we will use this workflow to do this in just 3 steps. First, we will create a brain having high quality sources using NotebookLM's notebook. Then we will create custom AI agent using Gemini Gems that can do advanced reasoning on notebook's filtered ground truth as knowledge source. And finally, we will write the report in Google Docs using both AIs. And please pay attention that we will never leave Google Doc tab while writing the report. Once you collect NotebookLM sources and create Gemini Gem, then you will use their superpowers inside Google Docs only. So first of all, you need to go to NotebookLM using this link, notebooklm.google.com, and then click on Create New. And here you have to provide some sources. Now I have already done the research on the topic and found some good PDFs that I want to refer to while writing the report. So I'll go to Upload Files and then upload those PDFs as sources. So those sources are being imported over here, and I have some YouTube videos as well that I want to refer to while writing the report. So again, click on Add Sources, click on Websites, and then here you can paste the links to those YouTube videos and just insert. So all your sources have been imported now. But let us say you don't have your own sources. So what you can do, you can take help of NotebookLM itself. You can type your topic over here and can ask NotebookLM to find good sources from web. If you want very high quality resources, you can also select deep research option. But for now, I will just go ahead with the fast research only. Looks like it has suggested around 10 sources. Let's look at them. So whatever sources you like over here, you can actually select them. So let's say I select first 2 and then import them. Now your first step is complete, where you have brain having very high quality sources in NotebookLM. Now your first step is done. Let's move on to second step, where we will create custom AI agent using Gemini's Gem. So first of all, you have to go to Gemini using this link, gemini.google.com, and then click on Gems and create a new gem in Gem Manager. And now it's a custom AI agent. You have to give it a name, description, and instructions to give it a complete persona. So let's say I give it a name, Mindshare Analyst. And I have given it a description that it's an expert research assistant and technical writer. And now I will give it instructions. Instructions are like system prompts where you are giving it a persona. So I have a long instruction. So first I'm giving it a role that you are a Mindshare Analyst, a research focused AI assistant. I'm also giving it some core competencies like literature review, data interpretation, and balanced perspective. And then I have given it some operation guidelines to mention that how it has to behave and what kind of output tone I'm expecting from it. So structure first, tone and style, citation support, critical thinking, and all. So now you are done with the instruction, and next thing that you have to do, that you have to provide it a knowledge. And this knowledge is coming directly from NotebookLM. So what we are going to do is, we are going to click on this plus button and then select NotebookLM. And then we are going to select the notebook that we just created having all the sources. So let's click on this and add it. Now you can see that NotebookLM has been added as knowledge. Now let us just save it. And your gem is ready now. Now you can start the chat if you want, but we are not going to do that. We are going to use this Gemini Gem inside Google Docs. So we are done with the second step now. Let us move on to the third step. Now step 3 is Google Docs integration, where we are going to import all the intelligence of Gemini and NotebookLM directly into Google Docs only, so that we don't have to keep switching the tabs and can work only and only on Google Docs. Now you need to click on this Gemini icon, select more options, and then inside the gem, you can select the gem that you have just created, Mindshare Analyst. And then let me ask it, please use your expert knowledge from notebook sources and create the first draft of the report on the impact of social media on mental health. So it has given the first draft over here. As the mindshare analyst, I recognize the importance of establishing a rigorous structure for a comprehensive report on this critical subject. Below is the first draft of the report, and then we can copy and paste it. So your first draft is ready. So now let me ask it if there are any more sections that I have missed in the report. So it has recommended these additions. Number 1, number 2, key content to include. So if you want, you can add these sections as well in the report. Now let me ask it one more thing, which is, can you improve the conclusion and give step-by-step suggestions on how to use social media wisely, as it is unavoidable in today's time. So it has returned the response, where it has provided the conclusion and recommendations in the revised format, and then also provided the guidelines for mindful social media use step by step, which is monitor and limit high frequency use, prioritize active engagement and all. And here, to get the high quality responses, you are not restricted to just NotebookLM sources. If you want to add some sources directly from your drive, you can add them as well over here. So now the final draft of this report is ready. Without this super powerful workflow, it would have easily taken you hours. Because here you are not writing alone. You are writing in Google Docs, where two powerful AIs are working in complete sync as your research and writing assistant, which remembers all your documents. So you don't have to switch the tabs, copy paste, or remember things while writing. Your assistant is always there for you. Now one last thing, last month I made a video on the same workflow and talked about two environment limitation, where Gem could look into the notebook sources inside Gemini, but when the same Gem was used inside Google Docs, it actually lost access to notebook sources and it could access instructions only. After a lot of research, I found that this is the environmental gap between two gems. And I had hoped that Google would solve it soon, but I didn't expect this much soon. Now your gems inside Google Docs can actually look into notebook sources and can answer your questions using those sources only, to avoid any kind of hallucination. Now this issue resolution has made this workflow so powerful that it feels almost unfair advantage over people who don't know about this. And with that, I will conclude the video. Let me know what you think about this workflow in the comments. Now please like and subscribe if you want to keep yourself updated with all the AI advancements happening around.